Is your printer showing offline even though it's clearly turned on? And no matter how many times you hit print, nothing happens? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the printer offline error step by step. And most of these fixes take less than 2 minutes. Let's fix it. First, we need to check the basic things. Make sure the printer is switched on. Check for any blinking red lights or error messages. Make sure there is paper loaded properly. Check if ink or toner is not empty. If you are using a USB printer, unplug the USB cable, plug it back in securely. Try another USB port. If you are using a wireless printer, make sure the printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. Sometimes, connection issues are the main reason for the offline error. If everything is okay, restart printer and computer. If your printer offline problem did not resolve after restarting the computer and printer, press Windows plus R key to open Run dialog box. In the blank field, type Shell Printers folder. Click on OK. Right click on your printer. From this context menu, click on Run as Administrator. Click on Use Printer Online. After that, try printing again. Printer offline error. Sometimes Windows sends print jobs to the wrong printer. To fix this, right click your printer. Click Set as Default Printer. A green check mark should appear. Now test the printer. Click on the Start menu. Type Service. After appearing the service, click on it. Find a service whose name is Print Spooler. Right click on it. Click on Restart. Now you can close this window and retry to print. If nothing works, your printer driver may be outdated. Visit your printer brand website, HP, Canon, Epson, Brother, etc. Download the latest driver, install it, restart your PC. After installing the correct driver, the offline issue usually disappears permanently. And that's it. These were the best working solutions to fix printer offline problem in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this video helped you, like the video. Comment below which step worked for you. Subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.